So, how do you like the view so far? Here
It's
in
nice,
Oregon, it is.
but it was the, the climb down was tiring. Now we have to go climb up.
Oh, so that will be even more tiring.
I know, but okay, worth it.
Talaga? But now, Jollibee's down. What should you do?
Bye.
Bye. So, anyways, guys, quick talk on Jollibee. Yeah, Jollibee's down. It's been a large consecutive set of candles pushing lower, pushing stronger. But the way you should analyze it is, where is the candlestick moving in reference to the range and in reference to the trend. And for those who've been following the videos that I've created for Jollibee, it's basically this. The main trend for Jollibee as of now is that the stock is sideways, meaning it's moving at a certain set of support and it's moving at a certain set of resistance. That's why Jollibee hasn't gone up massively already over the past few weeks, because after its large move up prior, it started to move sideways and it hasn't developed a higher high. But with that being said, sideways market also is characterized by a market that has no higher and has no lower low, meaning it hasn't really broken down. However, over the past few days, that sideways market was broken with large consecutive selling. That being said, the stock could possibly drop to around 290. What did you say? I think here.
There?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wait lang. My wife is having some troubleshooting errors. Will she break down like Jollibee, or will she hold the support? I think she's gonna hold. Anyways, Jollibee failed to hold its support. As it failed to hold its support, that's where you see a consecutive barrage of selling. Which, because of that, I think every time a stock will break down, it will try to look for the next landing spot, and the next landing spot is a support. As of this point in time, the next landing spot is around 290 pesos per share. If it continues its selling, the narrative is the support that you should watch out for is now pegged at 290 pesos per share. We can pass here. It's not less steeper.
Really?
I think so. Yeah. So 290 pesos per share. If it bounces there, that becomes a short-term buy signal that you will buy the new range. If it doesn't hit 290, one of the reasons that it becomes a good buy signal, or also, or it should be, you should be watching it, is if it goes back to around 305, 307, which was the previous support that was protecting it. So those are the ranges or the price points that you need to watch out for Jollibee. Please remember, any movement that we're seeing right now is just purely based on price action, primarily because Jollibee is still overvalued and still expensive, primarily because also Jollibee has moved up from 240 just a few months ago. So whatever movement that you're seeing is also warranted and justified. You have to remember, sell downs happen when stocks are relatively overvalued. It doesn't change the fact that Jollibee is expensive and it's a good company. Yes. I think we came from there. We came from there. Guys, we're lost. I think we came from there.
No, I did not.
Maybe not ba?
What I said.
Okay. When in doubt, trust your wife. Anyways, so what happens to Jollibee? So there, Jollibee is still a good company and it's growing. It's just overvalued and it's also still in the midst of its breakdown. So my recommendation, as long as it's still breaking down, as long as all of the, check out all of the, even the moving averages are also bearish, as long as it's in that pattern and configuration, it would not be a prudent time for you to start to come in. even though the stock has gone down. And it's not cheaper, please remember. Stock going down does not mean it's cheap. It's lower, but it's not cheap. That's why the narrative and your technique, if you are a trader and investor, should be both different. Investors will come in when it's cheaper. Traders will come in when the technicals warrant a buy signal. And as of this point in time, we're still not yet there. So I guess that's it for now. Or should you watch this video and it hits those price points that I mentioned earlier, that could be your buy signal as well. But rest assured, I'll keep you updated over the next few weeks, even when I'm here in the States, to keep you updated on where it's supposed to go. So that's it for now. Marvin Gerbo from Oregon. I have to climb this still. This will be like, how many minutes walk pa to?
I don't know.
But we're still gonna climb back up that mountain again. But I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all. Where'd you pass? We did pass here kanina eh. We passed there.
There?
We passed there.
I know. Where's me? What?
This is tiring, but at least, did you like the view?
You did.
Worth it? Okay. So guys, as you all know naman, katawan na to, hindi to pang hiking, pero wala, dito tayo para sa pag-ibig, guys. It's tiring and it's not as cold na. For those who watched the videos when I was here in the States, it was relatively cold in most parts, especially in California and San Francisco. But surprisingly today, it's supposed to be 9 degrees, no? But I'm just wearing shirts here. Yeah, we did. So I'm just wearing shirts, but it's hot eh. And sometimes it's the wind that makes it colder. So it's not as cool and there's no wind yet. So I'll put an end to this. So yun, we still have to hike this portion still. Parang nag-hike na tayo, parang Pilipinas itong setting na to, itong area. Ano? Guys, guess what? I'm back, but we're still not yet done. Look at this. This is how high I'm still supposed to climb. This high. You see, if you see Yvonne, she's at the backdrop over there. And that's still not yet like 1/4 up. So if you saw the sands part, then we climbed a bit still, then we're still gonna climb this. So there, this is really the end of the video already. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end this with something else, but yun, hope you guys enjoyed parts and snippets of this journey here in Portland. Not Portland, but Oregon. No. Maganda. It makes it cooler. Can see it's really steep. I'm really not yet done with the video, but it's just tiring. So I just wanted to document this part. It's tiring, it's long, but the same way when it comes to investing, you never stop, you never quit, because your goal is not to reach the top. Your goal is to enjoy the process while you're doing it. And it may be tiring, but you don't stop, you don't quit, you don't surrender. You always enter with you knowing that this is something that you like to do, this is something that you love. But in spite of it being tiring, winning is not about just trying to win in one go, but winning is going straight, pushing hard, and that no matter how challenging it is, no matter what the odds are, you continue, you push through, you never stop. Because winning and reaching the top is only a byproduct of what you do throughout the process what you do when no one's looking, what you do and how bad you want it, how much you train, no matter how hard it is. So I guess that's it. Enjoy this video.